This is the package I've been waiting for. Let's grab it and unbox it. It is my new Lectron Smart Charger. This is my new level 2 charger from Lectron. I will be able to plug it in my garage. It's portable, so I can take it with me. I can set my charging level, and I can use the app to adjust whatever I need to adjust. Let's unbox it. Realizing that my charging needs vary, I talked to Lectron, a company that has already provided me with a portable level 2 charger, and they sent me something that's a little bit better. It is a smart charger. So this has an app, and it allows me some flexibility. I can set my timing, I can set my charge level. So if I want to charge, say, at 220 volts instead of 240, or if I want to charge at even lower, say somewhere between a level 1 and a level 2, well, this will allow me to do that. Let's look at what we get in the box. So this is the Lectron Level 2 Smart Charger. This has it is portable Wi-Fi, so I'm going to connect it to my Wi-Fi in the house, and then I'm going to download the app and be able to set everything up how I'd like it, and I'll be able to access it on my phone. So let's look and see what we get here in the box. And you guys are doing this with me because I have not opened this before. In fact, you saw that I had to slice open the tape. There is the charger. It comes, because it's portable, it comes in this nice case. And it has a retail price of about $275 to $300. You can find it on Amazon. You can find it on the Lectron site. I will put a link below with their information. This is the wall unit, so I can just screw this onto the wall and hang it in there. And it actually is the same one that I already have, so I don't need to replace it, which is a nice thing. I can just swap this out for the one that's already on the wall. And then let me show you what this looks like. Because it's level 2, it does have this heavier cord, and you need to make sure that you've got this someplace where you have access to a little space for it. And I did put a cord keeper on the wall in the garage so I can wind it up and hang it there. This is the charger portion, and then here's my quick info on the rear, so I can look at this portable charger Wi-Fi app and get quick access to information right there. And then this is the portion that plugs into the car. This is a standard, the current North American standard. It is not the Tesla standard, but if I do need to use the Tesla charger, I do have that adapter in the car, so I can use that. But this is what you're going to use at home. This is what the port in the car has. You can see that right there. You can see that right there. So shall we go and install it? This might be the easiest install I've ever done. With the charger in hand, I'm going to come out here, and I'm actually going to swap this for the current level 2 that I have here in my garage. And so that's pretty easy. I had the level 2 outlet installed here in my garage a while ago, and then I bought this Lectron J hook here to hold the cord. Now I'm going to put this away in its case, but for right now I'm just going to lay it over here on the driveway. They are heavy and a little unwieldy, and they can be a bit of a challenge to manage. Just so you know, you don't want to really toy with these too much because they are a lot to handle. So I'm going to open this up, and this should be pretty simple. And the first thing that you do want to do is plug it in, and then you can put your cord on your J-hook and install your handle right there. And that's pretty simple. That is the first part. Now what I have to do, now that I've got power to the cord, I need to connect it to the Wi-Fi, and I need to connect it to the app. So once it's powered, I can even just stick it right there. Oh, that is too small. So the thing that they sent me, I'm going to have to swap out for this one for that one. I thought they'd be the same size, but they're not. So I will do that. I'm going to go find the app, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to connect the Lectron and how to set your controls. So now that I have installed the charger, I need to go to my Lectron app. So I have downloaded this app, and I can find my chargers. Now, initially it asked me to connect to the Wi-Fi. I did that. Once I connected to the Wi-Fi, and by the way, it walked me through everything. And then I can actually just start charging. I can set my schedule. I can add a schedule if I'd like to. I can record my charge session. There is my home. And here are my settings. And this is a big thing for me. And I don't know if you can see this. I know there's a lot of glare in that. It comes, and level 2 chargers come set for 40 amp charging. The amperage on the wall box that I have here is 30 amps, which means that if I plug a 40 amp charger into this car will draw at 40 amps. And what it will do is it will trip the circuit, it will trip the fuse, and it just turns off. So I'll gain a mile or two, and that's it. It can't pull any more electricity, and for safety reasons, it turns off. Now, I can have an electrician come and swap this probably for 40 or 35 amp, but that still might be too much power. My understanding is the Mustang Mach-E draws at about 34 amps, so 35 it would probably be enough. Or I can do this. I can change my amp setting to 24 amps. And with 24 amps set here, then I can charge this car with no problem, and it'll be completely repowered overnight. All I have to do now that I have this set for 24 amps is tap confirm, go back to my home screen, and then all I gotta do is plug her in and let her go. Let's see. Now my charge port is over here, and this is a level 2. And I can see here on the this little light here that the car is now charging. I can also see it right here on the screen on the front of the Lectron charger. I'm so excited to be able to charge my Mach-E at home.